you improve yourself. You know, women, if as much as they leave men, they always keep tabs on them. They always want to know what is going on in their lives, because women have the fear of missing out. Welcome back to another video. Today I am talking to the guys who have never experienced a woman leaving then always coming back. I am telling you, women will always come back if you are the best option. So in this video I will tell you 4 ways or 4 things that you can do in order for any woman who leaves you will eventually come back to you. You will hold the power. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into it. Number 1, you have to always remain masculine in everything that you do. You have to be masculine. This is the first trait that makes women attracted to a guy. Remember, women must be feminine, a guy must be masculine in order for there to be attraction. So when you remain masculine in everything that you do, and by remaining masculine, this is what I mean. Being a man, you have a purpose in life. You know what you want to achieve in life. You stay focused on achieving your goals. You stay focused on building yourself, conquering the world. Whether a woman rejects you or not, that does not affect the way you look at the world, the way you work. You always grind, always put in the work to be the best version of yourself. That is being masculine, because when you are masculine, you are adding value into your life. And when a woman leaves you, or when a woman starts playing games, it's because she is not sure. She's not sure whether you are high value. And if you start chasing her, then you are proving to her that you are not high value. You are putting her on a pedestal. But when you continue with your purpose, you are telling her, hey, look, I find you attractive and I would like to have fun with you, but I don't need you. I don't need you. I am happy being the way I am. Whether I'm alone or I have bitches, I am happy, because men get validation from accomplishing things. Don't lie to yourself that when you have a lot of women, you are going to get a lot of validation. That validation is temporary, because women will go. What will you be left with? But when you focus on being masculine, when you focus on conquering the world, when you focus on understanding who you are, you will add value to your life. And the more you add value to your life, that means the more you don't give these women attention. So in the back of their mind, they think, did I really make a mistake? And they will come back. They will come back begging to be a part of your life. So when they come back, they are putting the power in your hands. You are the one who will determine whether you are going to let her back into your life or you are going to cut her off completely. That is in your power. But that comes by remaining masculine. Number 2, you have to always improve yourself. Guys, by this I mean you always improve your looks. You always improve your style. You always improve your finances. You always improve the quality of women who are around you. Guys, that is what I mean by improving yourself. Every day you are working to be better. Every day you are learning a new thing. You are understanding yourself. And when women leave you, when women flake on you, when women start playing games, but you are unaffected because you are improving your life, so you ignore them. If any woman flakes or play games or leave, you are unaffected, you improve yourself. You know, women, if as much as they leave men, they always keep tabs on them. They always want to know what is going on in their lives, because women have the fear of missing out. When she left you because she had the fear of missing out. She had met someone who she had perceived as higher value than you. But when you improve yourself, you are telling her that you made a mistake, because now wherever she is, she's seeing that the grass is greener on your side. You are improving your looks, so more women find you attractive. You're improving your finances. You are living your best life. You have hotter chicks around you. So now she's thinking, what happened? What happened? And eventually she's going to come back, because women are afraid of missing out. She's missing out on you. She had that opportunity, so she must devise a way to come back into your life, because you cannot have all the fun and while she's being miserable. Women cannot accept that fact, and they will come back eventually. They will come back. When they do, you have the power. You have the power to elevate them or to cut them off. Number 3, never be emotional once these women start playing games. Never let these women get you emotional. Guys, when a woman is testing you and you become emotional, you are signaling to her that you are lower value. You are just putting on a mask, and she will leave you. Her attraction decreases. So when a woman pulls away, she's expecting you to be emotional, to be angry, to be anxious, to start chasing her. But when you remain unaffected, she's going to be really confused, because now she played games and then it backfired on her. It did not affect you. She was doing that to test you, to see if you are going to be affected. How invested are you? But you know better. You have invested in yourself. You know that for me to maintain chicks in my life, the only way is for me to get better, is for them to perceive me as higher value than them. That is how chicks always chase you. They become emotionally attached to you. They become obsessed with you, because you are a high value guy. You are something rare. She has that sense of, this guy is someone that I can't have, but when I have him, this is a privilege, because that spot, a lot of women are eyeing it. They want that spot. So when you remain unaffected in every situation, when she tests you, when you are checking her logically. You are not emotional. You are signaling to her you are strong. And women love strong guys. Women love masculine guys. So guys, never let women get you emotional. And it's very hard. I'm telling you, it's very hard. You have to practice this a lot. When women test you, even if you get emotional, don't just keep thinking about it. Learn from that mistake. No, because when you get emotional, that is an insecurity. You have to work on that insecurity, so that the next time it happens, it will not affect you, because you have dealt with that insecurity. So be very keen when you have emotional outbursts, especially when women trigger these emotions. look at what is it that triggered. That is an insecurity, and men become confident by working on their insecurity. Number 4, cut any attention to women who have played games, who have flaked, who have, any woman who is showing signs of games or not cooperating, you cut attention. Remember, attention is the most valuable item to a woman, and if you are not giving her attention, she's going to think about it, because this is something that she needs. Women live on attention. They need attention to survive. They need attention to feel loved. They need attention to feel confident. So when she starts playing games, cut that attention. Focus it on something else. Focus it on other women who are submissive and more cooperative. And you will see she will come back begging, because she had gotten used to your attention, and then she took it for granted. She thought, I can do better. But boom, to her surprise, that attention is far much valuable when you are giving it to other people. So if you are giving attention or a part of your soul to someone who does not even value it, then there is no point. You be selfish, because that is something that is part of you. You focus it on something that adds value to you, and she will feel the loss, and she will come begging. I'm telling you, women always come back. If you do this for things, women will always come back. Hopefully you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.